So actually, nanami diri sa may Palo. Palo Leyte is very close to Tacloban, no? Pila na kami minuto from Tacloban, Palo na. Palo, then here at Andox, Palo. Shakey's, Palo Commercial. So, kung saan itong venue na to?
Leyte Academic Center.
Leyte Academic Center, venue sa National Peso Convention will start tomorrow. National Convention. Tacloban,
Pedestrian.
kaya mo naman Hindi ni pedestrian Boss Coffee. Dito ta. Pagkuhan ta dre kay first time in Tacloban ng Palo. Pero